another video of Minnie C. Today we're making cupcakes. We got these from Walmart and they're the 4th of July, and that was easy. Oh gosh. And then some of these are black and some of these are, you should call them white because I don't know. We have 2 sets of sprinkles, 1 set of these, and 3 sets of these. So first I'm gonna pull out one cupcake, and get the cream out. So how about we put all the cupcakes out because it seems easier, and then we're gonna squirt all of them after I get all these black ones out, which is the chocolate, I think, because last time that I have chocolate cupcakes, they're black. And I forgot when I got these cupcakes. Also, I have a birthday that goes with cupcakes, but it wasn't that kind of cupcake. I had a marshmallow cupcake, and my dad, I wanted him to slap it in my face. Make sure you don't try these scissors at home. Now, you can do it with the rest of them. First, I'm doing it with this cupcake. Now that my mom made the bigger hole, now it's going to be much more easier. Oh, that's way more easier. Look at that beautiful cupcake. And then if you want to, set it down and add some sprinkles. You want to? Add something. I mean, this is your own cupcake. But do not try the scissors at home if you want to do it with the cupcake. Have your mom help you. Well, if you're 6 and very careful, you can do it by yourself. And then when you're done with the sprinkles, put cap back on. And so I can't stand sprinkles. And then put these in, whichever one you like, and just stick them all in. Boom, your own cupcake. You can make much more, and you can mix them. And there's one cupcake finished. should have told you that after. And I hope you like and subscribe on this video. I'm going to eat these cupcakes. And I hope you hit that bell. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye. What's the name from 3rd of July?
4th of July.
4th July. Can't say it. Made some of them so it doesn't take like a long video. And
Stop eating the sprinkles.
why?
Tell them about how fun it was to decorate your cupcakes, and now it's time to eat them. And then if you like this, like and subscribe.
Okay.